Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a risk management strategy with eToro. Easy tutorial step by step. To build a risk management strategy with eToro, begin by logging into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the portfolio section to review your current investments. Assess the performance of each asset you hold. Identify which assets are performing well and which are underperforming. Next, determine your risk tolerance level. Consider factors such as your investment goals, time horizon, and personal comfort with market fluctuations. Once you have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance, set a risk per trade limit. A common guideline is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on any single trade. After defining your risk limit, create a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps reduce potential losses by spreading risk across different assets and markets. Now, use eToro's copy trader feature to minimize risks. This allows you to follow and replicate the trades of successful investors. Take time to research and select traders who align with your investment strategies and risk preferences. After choosing traders to copy, allocate a portion of your capital to these investments. Regularly monitor the performance of both your portfolio and the traders you have selected. Stay informed about market trends and news that could affect your investments. If an asset consistently underperforms, consider re-evaluating its place in your portfolio. Setting stop-loss orders is crucial for managing risk. These orders automatically close a trade at a predetermined price to prevent extensive losses. Review your risk management strategy regularly. Adjust it as needed based on changes in your investment goals or market conditions. Lastly, stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or market hype. By following these steps, you can create a robust risk management strategy using eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.